Hello friends, a very good evening, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome guys to MHTCET KCET Mock Test 7. Know your exams better. The entrances zone, जहां हम entrance examination के लिए preparation करते हैं in general 11th और 12th standard के topics को लेके, because as we know in all our entrance examinations, may it be MHTCET, may it be KCET, may it be BITSAT, NDA for that matter, सारे जो एग्जाम्स हैं हर जगह फंडामेंटल्स और कॉन्सेप्ट्स लगते हैं जो हमारे एनसीईआरटी के 11th और 12th स्टैंडर्ड के टेक्स्ट बुक से आते हैं, राइट? So what we are trying to do in this particular series, in this journey, is we are trying to bring out questions from all those concepts that we have learned so that it can help us for डिफरेंट एग्जामिनेशन. तो भले ही आप एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हो तो आप बोर्ड्स के लिए भी प्रिपेयर हो जाओगे, कॉन्सेप्ट भी बिल्ड हो जाएगा और आप उन तरीके के प्रॉब्लम्स भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. यस फ्रेंड्स, और आज इस जर्नी में मैं केसीईटी के कुछ बेहतरीन क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूं, राइट? क्वाइट अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द 11th स्टैंडर्ड एज वेल, अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द 12th स्टैंडर्ड कॉन्सेप्ट्स एज वेल. So yes guys, welcome everyone. My name Ganesh Pawar, BTech MTech from IIT Bombay with 10 plus years of teaching experience. Here to have fun with MCQ questions, with objective questions, and get success in our entrance examinations. Welcoming everyone, we have Nandini. Welcome Nandini, a warm welcome to you. Ashok, Maurya, Shruti, Neha, wonderful. Vikash, Varsha, Roshan, wonderful. Good to see all of you guys. Sagar is there. Saurav, Rajneesh. Welcome everyone. Yes, guys. Good to see all of you. Yes. Share the video as much as possible so that we can reach out to larger audiences. सबका फायदा होगा इन तरीके की सीरीज से अलग अलग टाइप के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस को डील करने के लिए. जैसे आप देख पा रहे हो, इवन आवर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस के सो मेनी डेवलपमेंट्स हैव हैपेंड. कुछ चीजें रिड्यूस हुई हैं, सिलेबस कट हुआ है कुछ, ठीक है? तो एंड आवर बोर्ड एग्जाम पैटर्न आल्सो इज ग्रेजुअली इंक्लाइनिंग टुवर्ड्स बीइंग ऑब्जेक्टिव. तो ऑब्जेक्टिव हैवी हो गया, हमारे सारे एंट्रेंसेस ऑब्जेक्टिव है, right? Even in our board examinations now, 25% of your marks are absolutely objective in your 80 marks paper. उसके अलावा even in your practicals, math practicals, वहां पे भी, right? So it's heavily objective, everything is getting objective, right? And hence it's important to not only study the concept but also in objective questions के साथ थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. एंड हेंस वी आर हियर विद दिस मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज. यस गाइस, लेट्स बिगिन. सो ये हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का लिंक है. फटाफट अगर आप ज्वाइन नहीं हो, सो दैट यू डू नॉट मिस आउट ऑन एनी वीडियोस, ज्वाइन आवर अनअकैडमी क्लास 11-12 टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, ताकि सारे वीडियोस के अपडेट्स आपको मिल सके. ठीक है बच्चों, और ये अनअकैडमी प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन है, right? Which is something I can only say about it is that this is the epitome of learning. This is basically the best you can get, right guys? So basically the price range, as you can see, is just 11,250 for one full year. That is less than 1,000 a month. If you use my code GP Live, you will get that maximum 10% discount, right? 11,250 for one full year for all the subjects and so many other features जिनके बारे में towards the end बताऊंगा, right? So this can be basically the best. You can get no online offline coaching institute can beat this price and give at the same time such a high quality education with unbelievable features, right guys? So let's begin with today's series. Yes, mock test 7. आज हम बच्चों KCET के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. KCET के कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस, where I would say the general expected timeline to solve every question is 1 minute to 1 minute 15 seconds on an average. But जैसा हम जानते हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जहां पे आप थोड़ा सा जल्दी सॉल्व कर सकते हो, और कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जहां पे आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लगाना पड़ता है. बट ओवरऑल, if this balances out, 1 minute 15 seconds should be your ideal target to solve every question, right guys? So yes, yes, a few more people have joined in. Wonderful. Karthik is there, right? Sarvesh, Ranjit, welcome guys. Yes, gradually we'll build up to the strategy as well, Varsha. The ideal target, as you grow with the question, you will understand. Keep that in mind that the clock should be running. I have to try and solve every question inside 1 minute 15 seconds, right? That should be there, and try and solve as fast as possible without making silly mistakes, and practice as much as possible. Yes, guys, come on. Are we ready for the first question? Right, the same rules apply. Yeah, try and give your best attempt, and only put when you are confident about your answer, and whoever gets the correct answer first gets a star, right? And if you are correct, if your answer is correct, put a +1 in your left margin, right? and if you are not correct, just put a 0 and then tabulate all your marks towards the end. All right, guys. So here's the first question on your screens. Yes, guys, come on. Right, as I said, basics very important. So this question signifies that. Right. Let's see how many of you can solve this. Come on. Rather, I would see how fast you guys could solve this and who's the first one to solve this. Hello, hello, Rahel. Awesome, awesome. Quite a few answers pouring in. Quite a few answers pouring in. सोचना बंद मत कीजिए, सोचते रहिए. If you feel you have got the right answer, still keep on thinking. Think about the other options. Be confident of your answer. Yes, guys. Keep on thinking. Wonderful. Yes, guys. जो भी बच्चा है, फटाफट वीडियो को लाइक कर दो और स्प्रेड कर दो वीडियो को. Share to your friends. Share it on all your groups. Yes, if you feel there are aspirants of in engineering entrances, NDA, all other kinds of entrances, and your board's examination. Yes, guys, the star in this question goes to Srilekha Nambiar. Fantastic work, Srilekha. Option C is indeed the correct answer. Right? We just have to be careful. We have to go through each and every option, and you can very easily solve this problem. So we need to go through the first option. ठीक है? A को ये दिया हुआ है. A is a set which has two numbers -1 and 1. ठीक है, A is a set of just two numbers -1 and +1. ठीक है, now we analyze when option A says x is a real number. There are infinite real numbers, so A definitely can't be the correct answer, right? The second set says x is an integer. There are so many integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, -1, -2. They sure do contain these two elements. वो लोग definitely -1 और 1 contain करते हैं ये set, but उसमें और भी कितने सारे numbers हैं, and hence even option B is a wrong answer, incorrect answer. When you come to option C, you would realize that x square equal to 1 would basically give you x equal to +-1, which is absolutely what this set is, right? ये देखने के बाद ये तुरंत पता चल जाता है x square equal to 1 के जो आंसर्स हैं वही इस सेट के एलिमेंट्स हैं और वही तो हमें चाहिए. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर स्ट्रेट अवे, राइट? बट एक बार ऑप्शन डी भी एनालाइज कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ऐसे कुछ बच्चे होंगे, काफी बच्चे होंगे जिन्होंने ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आने के बाद डी नहीं देखा. एक बार डी को भी एक्सप्लोर कर लेते हैं. व्हेन x square plus 1 is 0, if you remember your complex numbers, you will understand that this is x square equal to -1, which basically leads to +-i. We say that x equal to root of -1 with the +-i, right? And hence this value becomes +- of I, the iota imaginary number. Although this is not required for this current problem, your answer is very easily obtainable in option C at this very stage. But फिर यार कुछ चीजें और भी पता होनी चाहिए, कोई हरकत नहीं होती. Are we ready for the next question, guys? Come on, wonderful. So yes, I hope everyone is clear. नंदिनी, आपको भी समझ में आ गया होगा कि क्यों जो करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी है, right? Even Rukshar, you had marked D. It's all about analysis, बच्चों, सीखना है, right? Are we clear? Let's go to the next question. Are we ready? Yes, here we go with the next question on your screens now. Awesome. Another simple basic concept question, a bit of logic involved. All that you have to make sure is you're not making a silly mistake, right? Yes, Varsha, even I give you the star to you as well. तो यार chat box में ना हर एक को अलग अलग चीजें दिखती हैं. I was just going by what I saw first, right? You were right below Srilekha in the chat box for me. So yeah, no worries, don't worry, आपको भी star मिलेगा. Come on, नंदिनी, silly mistake नहीं. नंदिनी, silly mistake नहीं. वापस एक बार calculate करके देखो ढंग से, step by step. Yes, come on, everyone. Come on, friends. A square plus B square ये दिया हुआ है. A some symbol B. तो A operator B is A square plus B square. Come on, guys. Yes. Awesome. So we are getting a few correct answers now. Yes, Srilekha Nambiar again takes the star. So two back-to-back stars. Srilekha, fantastic work. You're giving time to solve the problem, but you are cracking it. And I'm really liking that attitude. सबको यही सोचना चाहिए कि यार स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी इन दोनों का बैलेंस वही होता है जब आप प्रॉपरली, अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो श्रीलेखा हैज सॉल्व बोथ द क्वेश्चंस इनसाइड 1 minute. For that matter, everyone who has given the correct answer, which is option D, has solved the question more or less in the range of 1 minute, max 1 minute, max 1 minute 15 seconds, right? Which is exceptional. तो इससे ये चीज दिखती है कि अगर आप प्रॉपरली क्वेश्चन को ध्यान देके सॉल्व करोगे, थोड़ा सा टाइम देके, राइट, तब आप बहुत इजीली क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हो. तो यू हैव टू जस्ट स्पेंड दैट अप्रोप्रिएट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. अब ये जो ऑपरेटर है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे, इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि यार ये पहले ब्रैकेट है तो ये पहले लगने वाला है कि नहीं? ब्रैकेट है तो ये पहले लगने वाला है. एंड व्हाट इज दिस ऑपरेटर? व्हाट डज दिस ऑपरेटर डू? दैट डज a square plus b square. So in this case 2 square plus 3 square in the bracket, right? And here we have this symbol 4. Now what is 2 square plus 3 square? It's 4 plus 9, which is 13, right? एंड देन यू हैव 13 सिंबल 4. तो वापस वही तो फॉर्मूला लगाना है गाइस, a square plus b square, है कि नहीं? तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट 13 square plus 4 square at the end of it. And to solve it, the answer is 169 plus 16. अगर प्रॉपरली बिना सिली मिस्टेक किए ये आंसर को, ये क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको आंसर आ जाएगा. सो हैज एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड इट परफेक्टली? इज इट क्लियर नाउ? राइट, समझ में आया? जिन्होंने भी गलत आंसर किया, जिन्होंने भी सही आंसर किया, वंडरफुल, फंटास्टिक वर्क. क्वेश्चंस का लेवल धीरे धीरे ऊपर जाएगा. सो गेन कॉन्फिडेंस एंड कीप ऑन प्रेसिंग and keep on trying to give your best and try and collect those 1 points in every question that you get. Right guys, come on, fantastic, right? Yes, D is the correct answer. Can we move forward? Fantastic. Yes, here goes the next question on your screens now. Fadafat, a complex number question. That is an interesting take, right? It totally depends on when you talk about the level, Pavitra. Is it easy, medium, difficult? I would say that it is anywhere between easy to moderate, especially because see, you need to understand the time constraint as well, and that is the beauty of every examination, right? Now KCET has 70 minutes to solve 60 questions, which is, as I said, in the range of 1 minute to 1 minute 15 seconds, right? On the other hand, MHTCET allows more time, right? तो वही चीज होती है, and that is why the level of the questions is a slightly difficult. JEE में naturally more time, so more difficult. JEE advanced more difficult, so more time, right, per question. So that is the logic. That is what we need to understand. So here gaining that speed is very essential. So we have started with 2 easy questions. We'll move forward and see where it goes, right? So yes, देखते हैं. Yes, it is in overall, as whatever you are seeing, Pavitra, are KCET questions, are the Karnataka entrance test questions only, right? So, but of course, as I said at the beginning, I think you joined a bit late. What I was saying in the beginning, the level of the questions will gradually increase. Yeah. All right, let's see. All right, तो चलो फटाफट सॉल्व करते हैं. आई थिंक व्हाट यू नीड टू लर्न इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ modulus have been applied. Lot of properties of modulus have been applied. So properties of modulus basically are like, I'll just tell you one property, which is z1 upon z2, right? z1 upon z2 का modulus is nothing but modulus of z1 upon modulus of z2. ठीक है, one very important property. After that you have another important property. Modulus of z1 z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. ठीक है, and another very important property, right? Modulus of z raised to m is equal to modulus of z the whole raised to m. This entire problem is just based on these 3 properties. If you apply these 3 properties well, you are done with the problem. Let's now see what modulus z is. Modulus z is modulus of that entire thing, right? Modulus of that entire number over here. And now we break it down by using first the blue property, and we say that all right, it is nothing but modulus of this entire thing, root 3 plus I the whole cube into 3I plus 4 the whole square, right? The whole upon modulus of 8 plus 6I the whole square. Yes, does everyone understand this? Basic blue property lagaya hua hai, division up this thing upon this thing. So we have separated the modulus. Now we apply the green property and we say that okay, this into this So we apply z1 into z2, so we separate them by moduluses like this, and then we apply the power property saying that okay, this is nothing but modulus of this the whole cube, this is nothing but modulus of this the whole square, this is nothing but modulus of this the whole square, and hence we solve and get the answer. Root 3 plus I ka modulus is always root of a square plus b square, so it's root 3 square plus 1 square, so 3 plus 1 4, root of 4 is 2, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 2 cube, यहाँ पे 3 and 4, 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square, root 5 square is 5, so 5 square, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 है ऊपर, 8 and 6 का जो triplet है, the hypotenuse है, that is 10, so 10 square, and when we solve this, we are going to get the answer, right? 2 cube is 8, 5 square is 25, and we have 100. 200 upon 100, the answer is 2. So option C is the correct answer. Nandini has given the answer first. Fantastic work, Nandini. You get the star in this question. Suraj has also given the answer fast, so that's exceptionally fast, guys. Srilekha, even you are right. Pavitra, you are right. Fantastic work. Yeah, both of them are very good colleges, Dima, VJTI and COEP. VJTI probably the best engineering college in Mumbai apart from IIT naturally, and COEP probably same for Pune. So it totally depends. When it is between these two colleges, I would suggest that consider your other parameters, yeah, close to your home and which city you like better and stuff like that, right? So yes guys, so option C is the correct answer. Fantastic work जिनको भी C answer आया है. I hope everyone has understood the concept. That is what the whole idea is कि किस तरीके से हम इन concepts को अच्छे से समझे. Basic concepts है और इन basic concepts को use करके किस तरीके से ये problem 1 मिनट के अंदर solve हो सकता है. Yes guys, can we start the next question? Come on, फटाफट, right? Yes, here goes the next question on your screens now. Come on guys, fatafat. Srilekha, which particular CET you're talking about? Are you talking about KCET? Are you talking about KCET? Come on guys, let's see. This is a doable problem. Basics of quadratic equations again. Yes, basics of quadratic equations. Fatafat. कोई बात नहीं, स्टडी लाइक अ प्रो. जो 11th वाले टॉपिक्स है उनके क्वेश्चंस करो. देखो ये 11th वाला है, फटाफट. आई थिंक यू कैन डू दिस. Very good, awesome. Yes, answers flowing in. Yes, wonderful. The star in this question goes to Pavitra, and I think Srilekha has also more or less solved in the same time frame. So yes, even to Srilekha, fantastic work, guys. The idea behind this is the basics. सीखने की कोशिश करो. हर एक सही प्रॉब्लम या फिर गलत प्रॉब्लम से सीखने की कोशिश करो. व्हाट डू वी लर्न फ्रॉम हियर एंड टेक फॉरवर्ड, राइट? बिकॉज व्हाट मैटर्स इज योर फ्यूचर, एंड इफ योर फ्यूचर मैटर्स देन यू नीड टू वर्क नाउ, एंड इफ यू आर वर्किंग नाउ यू नीड टू लर्न फ्रॉम समथिंग, राइट? जो भी गलतियां हो रही है उनसे सीखो, डेवलप करो. तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक है बच्चों. यहाँ आइडिया ये है कि अगर आपके पास एक क्वाड्रेटिक दिया हुआ है, अ जनरल क्वाड्रेटिक, तो क्या आपको उससे सम ऑफ रूट्स और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स, ये दो एंटिटीज निकालनी आती हैं? अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स बोला गया है, अगर रूट्स आपको बोला गया है कि अल्फा और बीटा है, डू यू नो व्हाट सम ऑफ रूट्स इज? अल्फा प्लस बीटा का वैल्यू क्या है, राइट? डू यू नो व्हाट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स इज? अल्फा इंटू बीटा का वैल्यू क्या है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, राइट? अगर हमारे पास एक जनरल क्वाड्रेटिक है, अगर हमारे पास एक जनरल क्वाड्रेटिक है, ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0, या फिर ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी द एक्सप्रेशन, और वाई इज इक्वल टू ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. इधर वेज अगर ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है मान लो, तो इनके रूट्स हैं अल्फा और बीटा, ठीक है? इनके रूट्स हैं अल्फा और बीटा, और सम ऑफ रूट्स जो है वो माइनस बी अपॉन ए होता है, और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स जो है ये सी अपॉन ए होता है. ये हमने 11th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है बच्चों, ठीक है? ये 11th स्टैंडर्ड में चीज हमने पढ़ी है, राइट? एंड दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी नीड टू यूज. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड, एंड वी नीड टू यूज and apply our basics and get our answers quickly, and that's the whole idea. You need to process this, that this can be done in the first 10 to 15 seconds, this should happen in the exam. All right, I have a quadratic equation. So I know sum of roots is minus b by a, and minus b by a in this case is minus of minus a, because minus b, minus the coefficient of x, minus b, right, upon a is 1. So it's simply a, right? Alpha plus beta is a. Alpha into beta, product of roots, c by a, right? C by a. So constant term upon a. So b square upon 1. Done, right? So product of roots is b square, sum of roots is a. Now you know alpha plus beta and alpha. Now you go to the question, because the question is going on in the mind, right? Alpha square plus beta square chahiye. So alpha square plus beta square, if you focus on the expression, you will see that this is nothing but alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right? Now अगर आप ये पूछोगे कि सर आप ये कैसे एग्जाम में क्लिक होगा, two things. How will this click in exam? Two things to answer that. One is, you know the formula for a plus b the whole square. This is the formula. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That plus 2ab has been thrown on the other side and made it minus 2ab, and a or b ki jagah pe alpha or beta hai. That's the thought process behind it. Second thing I would like to say is, now that you know it, you should not forget it at all, and henceforward use it at wherever you see a quadratic equation. जहां पे भी इस तरीके का expression दिखता है, आपको ये चीज क्लिक होनी चाहिए कि हाँ ये चीज मैं next time लगाऊंगा, and we are done with the problem if you think about it. Because in this case we know alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha plus beta in this case is a, so this is a square minus 2 alpha beta, so minus 2 b square, and hence your correct answer is option A. Is everyone clear, guys? Yes, जिनको सही आया और गलत आया, पूरा thought process clear, right? Is everyone absolutely clear? Wonderful, guys. Yes, जिनको भी सही आंसर आया brilliant, जिसको भी सही आंसर नहीं आया, क्या इससे आप सीखे, that is what is very very important. Yes, can we move to the next question? Yes, yes guys, fantastic. Yes, awesome. Here's the next question on your screens now. Yes, जो भी बच्चे नए आए हैं फटाफट वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, spread the good word, right? अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है मेरा पढ़ाने का तरीका, the kind of questions that we pick up, if they help you in your preparation, अगर आप ये चीजें आपको help करती हैं तो जरूर ये चीज, ये links आप forward कीजिए, right? So that many people can watch the video and enjoy and have fun with math, but at the same time score well in their entrances, score well in their boards and all the other exams which are going to come ahead. Awesome guys, come on, एक sequences and series का question geometric progression से हम deal कर रहे हैं अभी. Second and fifth terms of GP are given, then sum of first 6 terms have been asked. Awesome guys, come on फटाफट, right? तब तक ये formulas देख लेते हैं फटाफट, right? nth term formula क्या है और sum of n terms formula क्या है for a GP? Yeah, what is the nth term formula? The nth term formula is a into r raised to n minus 1, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio, right? And n is naturally the term number, right? Everyone clear? और sum of n terms क्या है? a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. ठीक है बच्चों, right? Yes, there is another formula as well, which is just by multiplying minus 1 up and down, but we don't need that because I think here the common ratio r will be less than 1. So yes, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. फटाफट देखते हैं. यहाँ पे ये बोला गया है कि यार T2 जो है जिसका फॉर्मूला a into r raised to 2 minus 1 होने वाला है, ठीक है, इसकी वैल्यू हमें 24 दी गई है, right? So that means ar is 24. Can we see that? Right, can we see AR is 24 because T2 which is 24 which is AR, because A into R raised to n minus 1 ये फॉर्मूला है हमारा, A into R raised to n minus 1 ये फॉर्मूला है. जब n2 होगा तो यहाँ पे AR 2 minus 1 AR आएगा, and then we have been given T5 A into R raised to 5 minus 1. So this is nothing but 3. That means AR raised to 4 is 3. Now all we have to do is use these equations and get the value of A and R. So let's do that quickly. सही? So yes, exam में आप कर सकते हो. First thing that you can click through this is okay. Divide these two equations. Divide these two equations and get rid of A. Get rid of A and then get an equation in R. A and A cancel. R cube is 1 upon 8, clearly suggesting that R is equal to half. एक बार आपका r का वैल्यू हाफ आ गया, एक बार आपका r का वैल्यू हाफ आ गया, तो you put that back in the first equation and say that 24 is equal to a into r. 24 is equal to a into half. That's hence that gives us a as 48. Now we have the value of a as 48, r as half, and now we will use the sum formula to get the answer. Right now you feel, guys, that this is that kind of a question which has taken more time, right? And that is why we had questions before this which were relatively easier. Not all of them, I would say the first two were like probably 30 to 45 second questions, right? And then this was maybe a 1 minute 15-second question. This again I think should have been solved in 1 minute, 1 minute 15. This probably a bit more, this probably 2 minutes, but yes, it does make sense, it balances out. That's exactly what I was talking about, right? तो हम अब फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे sum of n terms a into 1 minus r raised to n. So हमें 6 terms का पूछा हुआ है, so a into 1 minus r raised to n, so half raised to 6 upon 1 minus half. This is exactly what we got to solve. 1 upon 2 raised to 6 is basically 1 upon 64. 1 minus 1 upon 64 is going to be 63 upon 64, right? 63 upon 64, and this here is half. 1 minus half is half, right? Yeah, and this goes up, and 16 threes are 16 fours are, 2 goes up, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So we have 63 into 3 upon 2, that's 189 upon 2. So option A is the correct answer, guys. Option A is the correct answer. So yes, A जिसने भी दिया, yes, बहुत बढ़िया. Srilekha again gets the star in this question. Fantastic work, Srilekha. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. I hope everyone is learning through this question. Yes, guys, जो भी हम कर रहे हैं उससे हम सीख पा रहे हैं. Yes, guys, come on, everyone. Right, Nandini, आपका thought process ये होना चाहिए. Being a 11th standard student, you are now learning and moving towards. You still have a lot of time, right? You still have a lot of time to build up, and that is what everyone should think. What positive we can take up from this? Yes, very good, Varsha. Very good, Abhishek. Right? I hope everyone is learning the strategy to solve these kind of problems, and that's exactly what we need to do. We need to also understand कि अगर हम अभी देने वाले हैं एग्जाम, तो हमें किस तरीके से स्पीड पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए. How we need to focus more on speed. And if we still have 1 year to go, we need to understand कि concepts को किस तरीके से use करके हम इन तरीके के problem solve करते हैं. That is something to learn. So हर चीज में सीखने के लिए कुछ तो है. Right, guys? So are we ready on that positive note? Are we ready for the next one? Come on, here we go. Right, बिल्कुल unknown है, जल्दी करेंगे. Don't worry. Here's the next question on your screens. Come on. Binomial theorem now. Come on, who's up for this? Come on, who's up for this? फटाफट. Yes, it's a very easy question. Come on, guys. Just need to know your basics. I would say again a 10-15 second questions if your basics are clear. Yes, welcome Shalu, welcome to the gang. Bitsat mock test jaldi hoga baba. Yes, awesome. Very good. The star in the question goes to Nandini and even Varsha. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत सही. एक्चुअली अगर आप ऑप्शंस को ढंग से देखो ना, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आंसर जो है वो ऑप्शन डी है, स्ट्रेट अवे. अगर ऑप्शंस को देखो तो द ऑप्शंस कुड हैव बीन बेटर. आई थिंक ऐसे ऑप्शंस होने चाहिए. हो सकते थे मे बी लाइक 10C6 या 10C4, मे बी, आई डोंट नो, बट ठीक है. सो नाउ वी नो द आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस इज any binomial expansion a plus b raised to n has n plus 1 terms. ठीक है, has n plus 1 terms. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये जो हमारा एक्सपांशन चल रहा है अभी, इसके 10 plus 1 terms होंगे, जिसका मतलब 11 terms होंगे. It will have 11 terms, and if you have 11 terms, which is your middle term, guys? Which is your middle term? The middle term is nothing but your 6th term, right? Middle term is your 6th term. अब 6th टर्म में क्या होता है? 6th टर्म में क्या होता है? जब यहाँ पे बाइनोमियल थ्योरम में जब हम r प्लस 1th टर्म की बात करते हैं, तब NCR आता है. NCR, जिसका मतलब अगर हम 6th टर्म की बात कर रहे हैं, तब हम r मतलब 5 हो जाता है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, दैट इज द थॉट प्रोसेस. ऑल्सो यू वुड नॉट नीड दैट इन दैट मच डिटेल इन दिस प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज द ऑप्शंस आर सेट दैट वे. अगर ध्यान से देखोगे, 6th टर्म का मतलब दिस इज 6, so r plus 1 is 6, so r is 5, right? And hence the answer is NC5 in this case, which is NC5, correct? So ये thought process है, but as I said, if you go through the options, you will clearly understand that since the power is 10, there is no other power which is 10, right? And generally middle terms are NC2 format और फिर NC sorry not NC2 actually NCN/2, right? या NCN/2 which has happened in this case, या फिर अगर मान लो आप फिर दो मिडिल टर्म्स होंगे अगर आपका पावर ऑड होगा तो, ठीक है, तो NCN/2 - 1 एंड NCN/2 या NCN/2 + 1. So this totally depends on your n being odd or even. ये फॉर्मूले हैं, अगर आप फॉर्मूलेज रिमेंबर करना चाहते हो तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू इट थ्रू दिस मेथड, राइट? अगर n जो है, अगर पावर जो है आपका इवन है तो आपका एक ही मिडिल टर्म आएगा एंड दैट विल बी NCN/2 which is 10C10/2. In this case straight away answer 10C5, right? अगर मान लो पावर आपका 11 है, ऑड है, ठीक है, तो आंसर इज NCN/2 - 1 एंड NCN/2 + 1. ये दो टर्म्स होंगे जो मिडिल टर्म्स होंगे, क्योंकि ऑड टर्म्स में जब पावर ऑड होगा तब जो है दो मिडिल टर्म्स आएंगे, इवन टर्म्स विल बी देयर एंड देयर विल बी टू मिडिल टर्म्स, राइट? सो इन दैट केस लेट्स से इट विल बी 11 या n-1/2 और n+1/2 होगा, तो 11C 11 - 1/2 तो 11C5 एंड 11C6 इस तरीके से, राइट? सो आई होप इस प्रॉब्लम से काफी कुछ सीखने मिला होगा बाइनोमियल एक्सपांशन के बारे में. ऑल्दो दिस क्वेश्चन वाज इजी, रिलेटिवली मच इजियर फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. दिस एज आई सेड वाज 15-20 second problem at the first look, right? But we learned a lot through this problem. Hopefully you must have, right? So here's the next question on your screens, guys. Come on, fadafat. Hey. Yes, now this is an interesting question because this has determinants in it, area of triangle in it. You need to know a formula. You need to be able to be, adapt to the determinants of properties, right? Which is one hot topic because properties of determinants has been scrapped from the CBSE 12th standard syllabus. 12th standard syllabus में अभी properties of determinants है नहीं, but it will definitely be there in entrances, right? And hence we need to study them. And of course और भी कुछ boards में definitely हो सकता है, ठीक है? Let's see who gets the right answer in this question. फटाफट, come on. Yes. Yes, come on, let's see who gets the right answer. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का फंडा है यहाँ पे. अगर ये आपके चीजें हैं, ठीक है, जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं, तीन कोऑर्डिनेट्स जो हैं, तीन पॉइंट्स हैं, उनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं, तो इनसे शुरुआत करते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ दे स्ट्रक्चर एंड हाउ दे लीड द पाथ, राइट? सो हमें फॉर्मूला पता है कि यार x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1, ये फॉर्मूला हमें पता है, ठीक है? तो वी हैव टू फ्लो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, ठीक है? सो x1/a, ठीक है, y1/a, x2/a, the second coordinate, y2 ये b है, ये b है, और फिर तीसरा जो है वो x3/c और y3/c है. ये तीन कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे साइड में आएगा 1 1 1 और बाहर आएगा हाफ, ठीक है? हाफ ऑफ दिस इज एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दी प्रेमिसेस. स्टोरी क्या है ये समझना जरूरी है. ये एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल है जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? अब इसको जो दिया हुआ है उस डिटर्मिनेंट से हमें कनेक्ट करना है, उस डिटर्मिनेंट से अभी कनेक्ट करना है. तो एग्जाम में क्या होना चाहिए ये सोचो. एग्जाम में ये होना चाहिए दैट वी नीड टू थिंक कि ओके इसको इस तरीके से कैसे लाया जाए, हाउ शुड वी ब्रिंग दिस टू दैट, राइट? तो वी वुड से दैट यहाँ पे हमें 2 बाहर लेना है पहले तो, ठीक है? अब इसको साइड में रखते हैं, इसको साइड में रखते हैं. विल एनालाइज व्हाट इज गिवन. सो वी गेट द 2 आउट, वी गेट द 2 आउट, देन वी हैव a b and c over here, a b and c over here, right? We have x1 x2 x3, ठीक है, y1 y2 y3. Now think about this as rough work. Think about this as rough work. On the side we have that this is equal to abc upon 2, the most crucial information, ठीक है, थॉट प्रोसेस देखो एग्जाम में किस तरीके से होना चाहिए. दिस हेल्प्स अ लॉट गाइस, थिंक अबाउट इट. टू आई हैव टेकन कॉमन बिकॉज आई नो दैट बाय प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट्स if in a row or in a column all the elements have one common element, then we can just pull it out of the determinant का value. ठीक है, we just pull it out like this. Now from row 1 we pull A out, from row 2 we pull B out, and from row 3 we pull C out. ठीक है, तो ABC बाहर आ जाएगा. And why are we doing it? Why are we doing it? So that we can get the 1 1 1, we can get the x1 by A, we can get the x2 by B, and so on and so forth, right guys? So we understand that, and hence what will happen once we get that, this will become 1 1 1, this will become 1 1 1, this will become x1 by A, x2 by B, x3 by C, and so on, right? And we now see that okay, जो चीज हमें यहाँ पे चाहिए, यहाँ पे वो चीज मिल चुकी है ऑलमोस्ट, क्योंकि यार यहाँ पे हम फिर प्रॉपर्टी एक्सचेंज लगाने वाले हैं, दैट इफ वी इंटरचेंज टू रोज और टू कॉलम्स विद ईच अदर, यू मल्टीप्लाई द डिटर्मिनेंट विद अ नेगेटिव साइन. तो ये 1 1 1 जो है यहाँ पे इसके साथ शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास y1 y2 y3 वाली चीज है फर्स्ट कॉलम में, 1 1 1 तीसरे कॉलम में वो आ गई, सेट हो गई. फिर फर्स्ट और सेकंड कॉलम फिर से इंटरचेंज हो जाएंगे, ताकि x1 y1 x1 x2 x3 पहले कॉलम में और y1 y2 y3 दूसरे कॉलम में. नाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके, दिस इज द सेम थिंग, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग व्हाट वी वांट. तो नाउ व्हाट वी डू इज यहाँ पे हमें दिखता है that this is ABC upon 2, right? So after that we cancel this ABC, right? And then we put the 2 down, and then we say okay, this guy is 1 upon 4, this guy now is 1 upon 4, and half of this guy is what the area of the triangle is. So half of 1 upon 4 will give you 1 upon 8, and that's your correct answer. So I think this is a beautiful question from the point of view of an entrance examination, because if you get the theme right, you can solve this problem. You can solve this problem in about 1 minute 15 seconds or 1.5 minutes, and gives you that point, which is well deserved. This is in the moderate category, I would say. Bas carefully solve karna hai, right guys? So fantastic work. Yes, DJ Snake, very good, you get the star in this question. Option D is indeed the correct answer, baba. Yes, anyone having any doubt, fatafat puchiyega. Right, anyone having any doubt? I hope you have learned from this question, guys. Right, determinants के properties बहुत ही uniquely use हुए हैं इस problem में. Right, we said that okay, this is our target, this is the area of the triangle, and then we started to use what is given to us. Right, we took the 2 out, we took the A out, took the 2 out from column 1, we took the A out from row 1, B out from row 2, C out from row 3, and then we got closer to the area of the triangle. Yes guys, awesome. Right, Srilekha, see, the important thing is, like, are you going to give KCET now? I mean, after the pandemic gets over, or are you in your 12th, you're starting the 12th and you're going to give KCET next year? Yes, just let me know that. So accordingly, I'll try and guide you a bit. Yes, so here's the next question on your screens, guys. Hopefully, आपको इस question से सीखने मिला होगा. Now we have an inverse trigonometric question. Come on, guys, quickly apply. This should be interesting. Oh, that's so. In that case, yeah, you need to solve as many questions as possible. And of course, when if you're talking about revision, then I think you should go by your syllabus. First of all, go by your proper syllabus. Try and learn the concepts, revise the concepts, because you already know all the concepts, right? It might happen there are a few concepts that you are not in touch with. So quickly brush through those concepts and solve problems quickly after you learn those concepts then and there. And whichever concepts you're confident about, solve as many problems as possible. The success mantra for any entrance examinations is solve as many problems as possible. What happens is, subconsciously, while solving so many problems, you learn so many approaches, and your mind becomes ready to deliver in 1 minute, because that's the idea of all these entrance examinations, right? Yes, so let's quickly have a look किस तरीके से इस problem को किया जा सकता है. I think we can apply a formula over here, like sine inverse of A. If I'm not wrong, I'll try to structure this formula, plus sine inverse of B, yeah, is equal to, right, is equal to correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is A root of 1 minus B square plus B root of 1 minus A square. Yes, is that correct, guys? I think this will be applicable here. And if we apply that, we have sine inverse of A root of 1 minus B square. So 2 root 2 upon 3 into root of 1 minus 1 by 3 the whole square, plus b, which is 1 by 3, into root of 1 minus a square. So 1 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 the whole square. Right? So let's see if this goes ahead and gives us the correct answer. Yes, फटाफट apply करते हैं. 2 root 2 upon 3. Now this is 1 minus 1 upon 9. 1 upon 3 the whole square, 1 upon 9. 1 minus 1 upon 9 is 8 upon 9, and root 8 upon 9, root of 8 upon 9 is root 8, which is 2 root 2 upon 9. This is what we get. Yeah, upon 3 actually, because root of 9 would be 3. Right? Now this is 1 by 3 into 1 minus 2 root 2 ka square is 4 into 2, 8, 8 upon 9, 1 minus 8 upon 9 is 1 upon 9, root of 1 upon 9 is 1 upon 3, right? And hence we get this as sine inverse of, right? Now 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9, this is sine inverse of 1 janta, and that is nothing but pi by 2. So option B is the correct answer. So yes, Srilekha, fantastic work. So जिसने भी B option लिखा है, very well done. This is the level of KCET examination. So अगर आप अपने concepts, basic fundamentals clear रखो, और जो भी हमने अलग अलग type के formulas पढ़े हैं, सीखे हैं, उनको याद रखो, revision sheets बनाओ, post it on your walls, and make sure that you're solving problems which are connected to those. You can crack all these entrance examinations. Just believe and keep on working hard. And on that positive note, here's the next question, guys, on your screens. Now we go into the coordinate geometry zone. Come on, let's see coordinate geometry. Fatafat. Awesome. Fatafat, guys. Let's see who can crack this one. Eccentricity of the hyperbola is given, right? And a line is given which is a focal chord, and we are supposed to find the length of the transverse axis. Yes, good question. Yes, we are starting to get answers. Yes, nice, good to see. Yeah, so length of the transverse axis is 2a. Okay, so we'll just write that here. Yeah, just because we need to find a, that is what is important, right? Now we need to understand that if we talk about the hyperbola, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is a standard hyperbola. ये हमें पता है कि ये एक standard hyperbola है. हमें ये पता है कि ये एक standard hyperbola है, और ये इस तरीके से दिखता है. ठीक है, अगर आप इसके कॉन्जुगेट हाइपरबोला की बात करो तो उसका इक्वेशन माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर है. ठीक है, so now we take a look and we understand that okay, this is a comma 0, this is minus a comma 0, this is the length of the transverse axis. But the idea is we need to find out we need to first understand this data that is given, that this is a focal chord. Focal chord मतलब वो फोकस से पास करता है. ठीक है, फोकस से पास करता है, इस तरीके का लाइन होगा. राइट, एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? Yeah. And you can see that when you talk about passing through a focus, you are passing through the x-axis, and in the x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. Yes, guys, do we agree to that? The y coordinate is 0, and if the y coordinate is 0, we have 2x plus 0 minus 6 is equal to 0, giving you x is equal to 6 by 2, which is 3, clearly suggesting कि हमें ये point मिल चुका है. 3,0 आपका focus है, right? क्योंकि जब वो focal chord है, वो focus से pass करता है, और आपका focus तो x-axis पे ही है. That is what hyperbola is. Right? Yes, guys, the basic definition of hyperbola is this. So now we know that focus is 3,0, or focus ka coordinate is nothing but AE, 0. Right? AE, 0, clearly suggesting that AE is 3, where we know that E is 5 by 4. We already know that E is 5 by 4. दिया हुआ है हमें ये question में that E is 5 by 4. The eccentricity, this is 3. Therefore, A का value is nothing but 12 upon 5. A का value is 12 upon 5. Once we get A as 12 upon 5, length of transverse axis is 2A. 2 times 12 upon 5 is 24 upon 5. Option B is the correct answer. Yes, guys, everyone clear? Yes, I think a good question again. काफी कुछ सीखने मिला. The basic concepts are there. It's pretty basic, but 2-3 layers हैं. So we need to think deep, and we have to make sure that we are not making silly mistakes. That is what we need to do in KCET. when we are there, we need to have the presence of mind that the question is not going to be difficult. I am not going to get intimidated by the question. All I'm going to do is believe in my concepts that I have learned, right? And just apply my best inside 1 minute, 1 minute 15 seconds. Just apply those concepts, mix all the data that is given and go towards what has been asked. All right, guys, so here's the next question. On that note, here's the next question. A calculus question, a differential calculus question. Come on, guys, let's solve this one fadafat. Right, I think we have a couple more question, or this and one more, I'm not sure. Chalo dekhte hain fadafat, guys. Yes, very good, Sagar, fantastic work. Sorry, I didn't see that because I was lost in finding the value. Very good, Baba, very good, bahut hi sahi. Yes, come on. नंदिनी, आपका डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस हुआ है? डेरिवेटिव्स आता है आपको? Yes, guys, whoever's new, fadafat hit like on the video and share as much as possible. Come on, guys. Here we are solving interesting objective questions because now the exams have become objective. सारे exams objective की तरफ incline कर रहे हैं, और of course आपने concepts को use करके interesting objectives बनाना, objective questions को solve करना is the new way to go. Come on, guys. Yes. Yes, so Nandini, yes, you get the star in this question. Even Deepak gets the star in this question. D is the correct answer, right? No, D is the correct answer. Baba, एक बार फटाफट देखते हैं, right? So we have this. So we have this. We learn from every question, guys. We learn from every question. Yeah, let's see what do we say after we differentiate this equation. We differentiate this given equation on both the sides, right? Differentiate with respect to x, right? When we differentiate with respect to x, what do we get? Y after differentiation becomes dy by dx. On the right hand side, we have f dash of x square plus 2, right? Yeah, this is the function, right? F of x square plus 2, so f dash, the derivative, into chain rule you'll have to apply. Into chain rule you'll got to apply, yeah, because x, it's not x, it's x square plus 2, right? It's like cos of x square plus 2, you would have written minus sine of x square plus 2 into derivative of x square plus 2, right? Same way, right? So this is f dash of x square plus 2 into 2x, right? At this stage, we plug x as 1. On the left hand side, you will get what you want, dy by dx at x equal to 1, right? Dy by dx at x equal to 1. On the left, when you plug x as 1, you have f dash of 1 square plus 2, that is f dash 3, and 2 into x, 2 into 1 is simply 2. So your answer is going to be f dash 3, which is 5, into 2. Hence option D, 10 is the correct answer. Yes, guys, everyone clear? राइट, आई थिंक अनदर गुड क्वेश्चन टू लर्न फ्रॉम. काफी फंडे इससे सीखे कि यार अगर इस टाइप के फंक्शन है तो क्या करना है. बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं लेना है, एक लंबी सांस लेनी है, डिफरेंशिएट करना है, चेन रूल प्रॉपर्ली अप्लाई करना है, और जो क्वेश्चन में डेटा दिया है, दूसरा डेटा विच इज एफ डैश 3, राइट, एक्स इक्वल टू 1, उन पे ध्यान देना है, सिली मिस्टेक्स नहीं करना है और आंसर निकालना है. दैट शुड बी द थॉट प्रोसेस, गाइस. यस, आर वी क्लियर? लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Right, yes, I think this is one last question for today. Come on, derivatives, differential calculus, parametric. Let's rock it, guys. Come on. dy by dx the whole square plus 1 ऐसे पूछा है. Come on, guys, think about it. Yes. गाइस, थिंक सही से सोचो. इजी प्रॉब्लम है ये, बस सिंपल दो तीन सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट्स को मर्ज करना है और कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है, dy by dx इज नथिंग बट फ्रॉम अ पैरामेट्रिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिस इज गोइंग टू बी dy by d theta अपॉन dx by d theta, बराबर, राइट. dy by d theta अपॉन dx by d theta, और यहाँ पे आप ये चीज सॉल्व करोगे तो dy by d theta is going to be a is a constant, differentiation of x cube is 3x square, so 3 sin square theta in this case, sin cube theta का डेरिवेटिव 3 sin square theta into d by dx of sin theta which is cos theta, राइट. चेन रूल अप्लाई किया गया है यहाँ पे. डिनोमिनेटर में a डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a cos cube theta, तो a is a constant, 3 cos square theta, सेम लॉजिक, into माइनस sin theta, राइट, इंटू माइनस साइन थीटा, जिसको सॉल्व करने के बाद, सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद, a और a 3 और 3 कैंसिल करने के बाद, साइन और यहाँ पे एक साइन कैंसिल करने के बाद, ये कॉस और कॉस साइन साइन कैंसिल करने के बाद माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा आता है विच इज माइनस टैन थीटा. ठीक है. नाउ माइनस टैन थीटा इज योर dy by dx. नाउ ऑल वी गॉट टू फाइंड आउट इज व्हाट इज 1 प्लस माइनस टैन थीटा द होल स्क्वायर, right, and that is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta, that is nothing but sec square theta, and hence the correct answer is option C. Yes guys, option C is the correct answer. I think it's a doable problem. अगर सही से basic logic apply करोगे तो definitely कर सकते हो, right guys. So awesome. Yes, so we have a couple more good question. 3 अच्छे questions है हमारे पास, 3 अच्छे questions है, तो ये homework के लिए रखिए, आप सब लोग solve कर सकते हैं. Please put your answers in the comment box, yeah, and so that we can discuss on the comment box किसका सही किसका गलत. ठीक है. 3 decent questions है. ये 2 क्वेश्चंस जो है कैलकुलस से हैं पर से. दिस इज एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स, फैंटास्टिक, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. नॉर्मल टू द कर्व का स्लोप पूछा गया है, यहाँ पे कंपोजिट फंक्शंस का क्वेश्चन है, राइट, एंड यहाँ पे डिटर्मिनेंट का क्वेश्चन है. सो देयर आर 3 होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम्स, homework 1, homework 2 and homework 3, ऐसे नेम करते हैं. यू कैन आंसर देम, ट्राई टू आंसर देम इन वन कमेंट बॉक्स टुगेदर एंड डिस्कस देयर. अगर मुझे लगा कि यार किसी आंसर को इंप्रूव करना है या हेल्प आउट करना है तो आई डेफिनेटली डू दैट. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो ये हमारा 11th का शेड्यूल है. all the 11th standard kids can regularly watch the live daily sessions by our superbly awesome teachers, and this is CBSE 12th का schedule. same way live daily for 12th standard students जो अभी 12th standard शुरू कर रहे हैं. और जैसे आप देख पा रहे हो कि यार every day 4 PM I come live on YouTube to take your 12th standard topics. currently हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ रहे हैं, बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है. it's an intense topic but it's so much fun. बहुत प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके we are growing every day, learning a new concept and moving forward. Fantastic work Nandini, बहुत बढ़िया, right. This is our telegram link guys. फटाफट, as I told you at the start, to not miss any video, come on this. And now let me talk a bit about Unacademy subscription guys. The Unacademy Plus subscription has so many awesome features guys. Of course you have these live classes which you attend on YouTube as well, they are live, but the important thing is these live classes have an insane amount of interaction level. The interaction level is so high that it almost feels like you're being coached by the teacher live, right, live in the sense front to front. So that's amazing, right. And वो फील आपको तभी होगा जब आप एक्चुअली वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओगे, चीजें सीखोगे, अपना परफॉर्मेंस को एलिवेट करोगे, इंजॉय करोगे सब्जेक्ट को, राइट. एंड टू डू दैट वी हैव वन ऑसम थिंग, दैट इज वी हैव फ्री स्पेशल क्लासेस एज वेल, राइट. देयर आर फ्री स्पेशल क्लासेस, you can attend them for free. all you got to do is go to unacademy.com, www.unacademy.com, और जब आप unacademy.com पे जाओगे तब आप अपना एक फ्री प्रोफाइल बना सकते हो, जिससे कि आप हर एक प्रोफेसर को फॉलो कर सकते हो. सो यू कैन फॉलो मी, यू कैन फॉलो मोर अदर एजुकेटर्स, राइट, अक्रॉस सब्जेक्ट्स, एंड देन टेक देयर फ्री स्पेशल क्लासेस. जैसे मैं अभी इंटीग्रेशन के ऊपर फ्री स्पेशल क्लासेस भी ले रहा हूँ. टुमारो इज वन मोर लेक्चर एंड ऑल दीज सेशंस आर रिकॉर्डेड, सो यू कैन आल्सो सी द स्पेशल फ्री क्लासेस दैट हैव हैपेंड बिफोर एंड व्हिच आर गोइंग टू कम, सो यू कैन एनरोल देम, राइट. तो ये फील तभी आप ले पाओगे प्लेटफॉर्म का. और ऑफ कोर्स प्लस पे और ज्यादा एलिवेट हो जाएगा क्योंकि वहां पे प्रॉपरली डिजाइन कोर्सेज होता है, राइट. और इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ऑफ कोर्स लाइव पोल्स और लीडर बोर्ड्स होता है. बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक फीचर है. आई कैन टेक मिनी क्विजेस, आई कैन टेक प्रॉपर क्विजेस एट द एंड ऑफ द क्लास एंड many more interesting things like that. My personal favorite is the test series and analysis, because after every course completion, after every theory, I think analyzing is very important, and nothing like test series to analyze your performance, right, your preparation, right. तो हर वीक के एंड पे एक मॉक क्विज होता है, ठीक है, हर वीक के एंड पे, भले ही वो चैप्टर कंप्लीट हुआ है नहीं, और चैप्टर कंप्लीट होने के बाद एक चैप्टर 30 क्वेश्चन मॉक टेस्ट होता है, which is the mega mock test, right. And after the syllabus completion you have a properly designed test series, right? इसके ऊपर analysis होगा, and then you get your consecutive test series based on those analysis. So this is a fantastic process to grow. It's not only coaching, but it's elevating, it's growing together to your best potential. And another one very awesome feature I personally feel is the live doubt clearing session बच्चों, क्योंकि यार क्या होता है ना, सभी को डाउट्स होते हैं, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर नो वन इज लाइक अरे सब समझ गया सर आज तो, ऐसा होता है कई बार, बट फिर काफी बच्चे धीरे धीरे कई बेसिक लेवल से ग्रो कर रहे होते हैं, and that is why I feel these live doubt clearing sessions are essential. And in Unacademy we have this very awesome feature कि यार आपका 4 क्लास का जो सेट है ना is divided like this: the 3 classes, first 3 classes are theory, and the fourth class is a doubt solving session. तो ये 3 सेशंस में जो भी हमने पढ़ा है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए, उसके बेसिस पे आप और कंसेप्चुअल डाउट्स ला सकते हो, आप क्वेश्चन वाले डाउट्स ला सकते हो, और अपना परफॉर्मेंस एलिवेट कर सकते हो, और कुछ भी डाउट नहीं रखोगे. एंड दैट आई थिंक इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग गाइस, right? To get all of these amazing features from these best educators, all you got to do is download the app, install the app, choose the plus subscription, choose CBSE class 11, choose CBSE class 12 according to your class, and then get the subscription by putting the code GP Live, Ganesh Pawar Live, to get 10% discount and get at a very reasonable rate the subscription at 11,250 rupees for 1 full year. 1 full year बच्चों, आपका अगर आप 12th शुरू कर रहे हो तो आपका पूरा बोर्ड्स का प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा, आपको 1 रुपया और खर्चा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि यार if you think about it, 11,250 is less than 1,000 rupees a month for all subjects, right? It's not only for maths, it's for all subjects, right guys? So it's amazing, trust me, you will not regret, right? So yes guys, let's say bye for today. Like the video if you like the way I teach, please share it so that many students can take benefit from it. PDF notes इस session के मिल जाएंगे. Subscribe the channel if you haven't already. Let's crack it together, your boards and your entrances. We'll keep coming up with these awesome sessions जहाँ पे बहुत ही interesting objective questions होते रहेंगे. आप हमें support करते रहिएगा. Please keep on sharing the good word, and bye for now. Yes guys, that's my code GP Live, and that's my time. Ganesh